In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your notes on Udemy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Udemy website. Make sure you're signed in with the account you used to enroll in courses because your notes are tied to your profile. If you aren't signed in, use the login link in the top right corner and enter your credentials so you can access your enrolled classes and saved notes. Once you're on Udemy and signed in, locate the My Learning section. On desktop, this usually appears in the top menu or under your profile dropdown. On mobile, it might be labeled My Courses or My Learning in the app menu. This area is your dashboard for all courses you're enrolled in, and it's where you'll find the course you want to review. From your list of enrolled courses, select the specific course you're currently studying. Clicking that course will open the course player. Take a moment to get familiar with the course player layout. You'll often see the lecture video in the center, with a menu bar either below the video or along the side of the screen. That menu is where the Notes tab lives. Look for the Notes tab and click on it. The tab is labeled Notes, and it brings up a chronological list of the comments or observations you've saved while watching lectures. These entries typically include a short excerpt of your note and a timestamp indicating where in the video you made it. If a note doesn't display everything you wrote, click it to view more detail. Click on any individual note to jump directly to the exact moment in the lecture video where that note was taken. The video player will seek to the timestamp associated with your note so you can immediately re-watch that portion and refresh your understanding. This is helpful for reviewing complex explanations, practicing along with a demonstration, or revisiting important examples. Use your saved notes to reinforce learning and track your progress. Notes are tied to your account, so you can access them across devices as long as you're signed in. A quick tip: if you rely on notes heavily, keep your browser and the Udemy app updated to ensure the notes feature works smoothly. That's it. A simple path to find and use your Udemy notes to enhance study and retention. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and